Welcome to the Meross MA151 Dual Optical Smoke Alarm Testing Guide. In this video, we'll quickly walk you through its key advantages and show you how to perform a proper test. The MA151 equipped with a high-precision dual optical detection system initiates 18 to 25 seconds of continuous intelligent analysis upon smoke entry. It accurately identifies interference sources such as dust and water mist while monitoring smoke concentration in real time and triggers an immediate alarm only when detecting sustained stable and genuine hazardous smoke, effectively addressing traditional single optical alarms' false alarm and delayed response issues. To meet the rigorous requirements of Europe's authoritative EN 14604 safety certification standard, every MA151 sensor undergoes 2 rounds of stringent smoke alarm simulation tests before leaving the factory. From detection sensitivity to alarm response speed, all performance metrics are verified item by item, ensuring that the device delivered to you is 100% sensitive and effective. For routine maintenance, we recommend using the built-in test button. It's simple, safe, and automatically runs 4 key checks: dual optical sensor alignment, light transmittance detection, core performance verification, and overall system stability. The entire process requires no extra tools, and if anything unusual is detected, the device will immediately enter malfunction mode and alert you through sound and light. To verify the alarm performance more accurately, it's essential to first understand smoke diffusion characteristics. Smoke from fires moves horizontally along the inner surface of building ceilings before entering the smoke alarm's air vents from the side. Therefore, follow these steps for standard real smoke testing. Gently remove the MA151 from its mounting base. Place the product vertically with the battery compartment facing upward to ensure smoke diffuses naturally from bottom to top. Allow white smoke to slowly enter the device while maintaining stable concentration. Observe continuously for 18 to 25 seconds. If the test passes, the device will trigger a standard alarm. Do not use smoke test sprays. These sprays are made of fine water particles. While the MA151's dual optical system can recognize and filter out this interference, a high concentration burst may still trigger an alarm. More importantly, the liquid residue can stay on the optical sensors, creating stains that are difficult to clean and may cause detection failure, putting your safety at risk. And never test with an open flame. Lighters, candles, or any flame source can easily ignite curtains, carpets, or other household materials, creating a real fire hazard. The high temperature can also damage the device's housing and internal components, leading to permanent failure. If you encounter any issues during testing, feel free to contact Meross customer support for professional assistance. Meross MA151, technology that protects your peace of mind.